So back into the previous video, just create a cluster, and I just create my Ingress controller and the default backend, which I have everything here. So we have our Ingress controller, okay, both of them. Here's my host, matches this, okay. So you define this to the host, the rules you want, just the host with TLS, all right. And then later, if you're gonna redeploy config maps and etc. Now you're going to deploy this guy. We're gonna set this in vvar. So let me just deploy this. I'm not going to use Helm for that. I don't need. Gonna use. I'm not there. ls cd GKE. Let's apply the config map. Let's apply the deployment. You can see the config map's gonna be here. Okay. Just create that. Our endpoint. Now we're going to apply our service, which is pretty simple. That's the proxy for the workload. How you can access the workload. And now we're going to create our ingress, since here we have the service, it's our green. So this is our ingress controller. We have this HTTP load balancer, 404. Let's wait a little bit. And the ingress, we still don't have an ingress. So we create a load balancer just for that. This external load balancer in NGINX. Let's create an ingress. This takes a little bit more time for that. Directly you see the endpoints here. After we're gonna just show how, and now we can directly call the endpoints, not this guy, but this guy. So that's how we get into there. So this guy is forwarding traffic to my ESP SRV, okay? ESP SRV that forwards traffic to hello server from my deployment. It's a hello world server. And first, it forwards traffic to this guy, you see. I'm gonna explain one to one. Ingress forwards traffic to the port 80, all right? Port 80 of the service. Attention, all right? The server forwards traffic to the deployment of the first, for the first container of the pod, which is this guy here. It's default 8080, okay? All right. It's for default 81, sorry. And this guy forwards traffic to the 8080. So the servicing forwards traffic to the 81, to the ESP server, to this guy. This is the Google image. This guy on the port 8181, and this guy forwards traffic on localhost of the port 80, which is this guy here. So that's how the magic works. Simple. And here you can see the hello world server. Okay, let's move on. And now we're going to set up HTTPS. So you guys know the existence of this jet stack, all right? It's this YAML is available on the GitHub, etc. online. So I'm applying this. So I'm creating the certificates. Okay. So just create the certificates. I'm going to create this namespace cert manager for the certificate. And with Helm, I'm gonna add the jack stack of the chart using this IP address. Now I'm going to update the Helm. Then we can install the cert manager. We're using Helm install. Here we have no Helm installed, but you can directly point to to the cert manager, cert to this guy here. Since I defined the IP address of it, custom role definite, all the things that works for the SSL certificate and later for the TLS protocol. Now we can get all the pods, since here you're gonna have the cert manager. Things I don't like if it doesn't, how can I say, it doesn't refresh. Let's get the pods of it. Okay. Let's export my email. I'm going to create an issuer with the let's encrypt. Well, we got an error of the webhook, no endpoints for the service managed hook. I guess I'm gonna fix this simply. Since we have the cert manager install it. This is just a try I'm gonna do. This guy is still nothing, there's no backend for that. The endpoints are running. I can reach from the ingress. Okay, the problem is I can use the Let's Encrypt issuer. ls. I'm gonna try to do a sed here. And after apply everything. The mail here now. Let's try to apply this guy. Better. I'm not sure it's gonna work because of time. Now we're going to update a certificate.yaml we have here, our certificate. The project TD is to match here. This is our endpoint, the DNS of us. Okay. So what do I want to change? Also, this guy, I make the ingress to this endpoint, but now I didn't have a TLS for the protocol. And this is my secret also. I guess you have a secret of it. There's no secret of it, and I have no secret here, but you can create on the fly. Just create it. Okay. I want to describe my endpoint, the address, etc. Successfully. I would like to apply the certificate, but the other one points to that. There won't be a problem. It knows the ingress TLS. Let's encrypt.prod, cert manager. ESPT, that's what creates on the fly for me. Okay, look the issuer. So it's the same as applying this YAML. Like I could even say kubectl cube. Would be an error. It's not applied like that. Yeah, I was sure. So since I did everything for the Ingress TLS was just a matter of applying that. So this guy would listen to this guy for being created. So it is correct what I did. Now my endpoint here or here is HTTPS. That's perfect. So that's all I like to share. It was an HTTPS and it is. And here, as you can see, even the OpenAPI YAML, there's no definition of the protocol. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. I will be sharing the YAMLs. Thanks. Bye bye.